Judge Boasberg, James Boasberg. Now, this is the guy in D.C., he's a federal judge, who said that the plane full of the criminal migrants going to El Salvador from Texas had to turn around and come back. And the Trump administration ignored that. So Boasberg now says that he has probable cause that Donald Trump is in contempt. Okay? He's in contempt. Again, this is a loser. Okay? Boasberg isn't going to win it. Boasberg is a liberal judge. Now, there is a study by the Hill newsletter, you can get that online, that said there are 200 lawsuits currently in play against the Trump administration. 72% of them have been assigned to judges appointed by Democratic presidents. All right? 69 Biden, 66 Obama, Clinton 26. Okay? 72% of all the lawsuits against the Trump administration are being heard by judges appointed by Democrats. And then they cite, the Hill cites District of Columbia has the most, 107, Massachusetts, Maryland, Washington State, California, New York. 177 out of 200 are in liberal states. Now, the Supreme Court has already sent a message that this is not going to stand, but they're going to have to rule on this. Because what the intent is, so you know, is for the Democratic Party, I am putting this in the party, okay, to create so much chaos that Trump can't govern. That's what the plan is. Sue him every time he turns around. But the Trump administration is very litigious as well. Okay, they are now suing, the president is suing the state of Maine for failing to enforce Title IX about gender, where transgender men are competing against girls and women in sports, high school and college. So this is a lawsuit filed against the state of Maine by the Trump administration. It was just filed today. Okay? This is going to cost Maine hundreds of thousands, maybe millions. Maine doesn't have a lot of money. They're already losing money from the federal government. So the Trump administration is making an example of Maine. Now, how will this go? Well, there's an executive order saying DEI has got to stop, and the Attorney General of Maine says she's not going to stop it. That's pretty straightforward. The state's defying the federal government at the order of the governor of Maine, Janet Mills. So it's going to be in federal court. Federal court has to rule against Maine, right? Because federal law trumps state law. Thank you for watching. To view full episodes of the No Spin News anytime, sign up to become a BillO'Reilly.com premium or concierge member today.